Okay, we're going to look at this CI bracket. Having a go at doing this one. So, let's just hide the sidebar. That's CI bracket, this one here. Bit of an interesting one. I'm probably going to just start by drawing this profile down this side here and pushing that through, I think. So I'll start with a 100 by 19mm rectangle. So I'm going to start a new sketch on the front. And I'm going to do a rectangle. Oop. And, let's check what those dimensions are going to be. Number 23. Alright, so 100 by 19. So push up this way, I'm going to go 19, hit the tab button, 100, enter. I'm going to hit Q to extrude that. I'm going to grab him. I'm going to push that through, what did I say, 45 mil. Okay, I'm going to end up with something like that. Alright, no, I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to go back to the sketch. I'm going to undo that, go back to this sketch. I'm actually going to draw this in properly. So I'm going to end up with a line that goes across here somewhere and that comes down to there. Okay, to that little notch out. Trim. So T for trim. I can actually cut that section, those lines out like that. And then I'm also going to dimension these to tell them how big I want them. So that one there is 63 according to the drawing. And that one there is 6 mil. Now, here's this little funny thing where it's actually taking these out of perpendicular. If I open this sketch palette up here, I can actually go back and create a perpendicular between those two there. That should bring it all back. There we go. That dimension there is going to be funny. I'm just going to take him off and make sure we change that back to 100 up the top there. Something looks like that. Cool. Right. Grab that one. Hit Q. Press pull it. 45. And we're starting to get something that looks like what we want. This corner here has actually got a radius of 19 on it. So rather than draw that in, I can just use the fillet tool. I can just hit F for fillet. Select this edge here and give that a radius of 19 millimeters. And that's going to curve that section in there for us, which is good. And now I need to draw this top section that comes up. So I'm going to spin around to the back, I reckon. Jump on the back. And create a new sketch on this back piece. And let's have a little bit of a think about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my line tool. Make a line that goes up 76 minus 19 for the thickness, like so. Radius of 19. I'm going to go come across 19 mils. I'm going to go 19 over 2 to there. And then I'm going to come down 9.5 as well. Now this line here is not actually a line, it's what we call a construction line, just like when you're sketching. So I'm going to left click that, hit X, and it'll turn it. It's a bit hard to see, but it actually turns it into a dotted line, which means it's a construction line. So I'm going to create a circle on that, click on the middle, go out to the outside. Like so. Oh, sorry, radius of 19. So it doesn't look right. Let's go back. Let's change that to 19 mil. Undo. Make that one come 19 millimeters down, and make that one come 19 millimeters across. And then we'll just perpendicular snap that one to that one, and then that one to that one. Perfect. Jump center on here. That looks better. And I want to snap that out to this line here. Tangential snap. Now I don't want these toe lines, so once again I use trim, get rid of that, get rid of that. Now I've actually got a line that goes from this bottom corner here, and I can snap it on the tangent. You'll see the icon change to a circle with a line, just there. Circle and line, it's called a tangential snap. So I can click on that one there, and I can actually hit trim, get rid of that, and that's that first section of that shape that I need. So I'm going to hit Q, I'm going to press pull that, I'm going to push it out the other way, 10 mil, perfect, like that. Hit OK. Let's have a look on the front, see what we got going on here. Oop. Okay, that's good. Alright, so I need to draw this next section which comes out. So I'm going to go on this front face. Now right click, create a sketch. I'm going to make another circle. Snap some of the center point of this circle, so I can hover over the circle and then come back in, and it should pick this center up. It's another crack. Yeah, I can see the center there. Just need to find it. Huh. Oh well, if it doesn't want to find my center, I can make it. So I can use my line tool, snap to this intersection here, come across 19 mil, turn that into a construction line, use my circle tool, jump onto that, and that should be in the right spot. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to make that circle there, and then I'm going to use my line tool. I'm going to hover over but not click, push it out so it snaps onto that one, click on the line, and push that one straight down, bring it across, and then join this section up here, and then hit T for trim, take that one out, and I've got that shape there that I want to bring right out. So I hit Q, click on that one there, and then what I need to do is actually bring that out the additional 9 millimeters as per the drawing. So I hit 9 and pull that one out there. Now I just got a couple of holes in that slot to cut. So once again, I'm going to right click on the face, create the sketch. Hopefully let me snap to this center again. It doesn't want to let me do that, does it? Let's just see if I can do it this way. Okay, so this has got 13 mil. Should be able to do a concentric of that and that there. There we go. So I've used the concentric snap, which snaps the two centers in. So I've just drawn it anywhere. Brought my sketch palette open, concentric, click that circle, then that circle there on the center, which is good. I then now need to draw a guideline, so I'm going to hit L for line, push down, as per the drawing, that needs to come down 19 mil. Back down here, click on it, X to turn it to construction, C for circle, click on that endpoint, and then go 13, which is good. L there, and now I'm going to just join these up together to make the slot. So I'm going to get my line tool, hover over the middle, come out to the side, click, push down, click, and same on the other side, hover out to the side, click, push down, and then click on that one there. Now to turn that to a slot, I can hit the T button, get trim, and then take out all these parts I don't want. Like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press pull and cut that shape the whole way through. Like so. Okay. Last one I need to do is just drill this hole on here. Now this has actually got a counter bore on it, so it's actually got like 2 holes if you like, so that the guy's actually countersunk. So we're just going to go at this. It's got a 20mm counter bore, so I'm going to go 20. Now according to the drawing, it's actually 9mm from this edge here, so I'm just going to use my D for dimension tool. Bring that out. 19, sorry. And then D for dimension, this edge, that one there, push it out here. 19. And then press pull it. I'm actually going to cut that down 6mm deep on the counter bore. So we're going to go -6 on that one there. And then just going to click on this one, right click, create another sketch. And then on the circle tool, snap to the middle there with the circle. And that one is going to be 10mm as well. And then I can finally just cut that one the whole way through with a Q there. Cut through as long as you want, and then that's our final finished piece. And that is your completed CI bracket right there. Make sure you save it in your tutorials and move on to the next one. Thank you.